Hey everyone, welcome back to Modern Gadget Guy, where we break down the latest tech so you can buy smarter. Today, we're diving into a full review of the Redtiger F7NP 4K dash cam, a budget-friendly dual dash cam that promises high-end features without the premium price tag. Whether you're looking for extra peace of mind on the road or need reliable footage for insurance purposes, this cam has been turning heads lately. So let's find out if it's worth your money. Build quality and design. Right out of the box, the Redtiger F7NP feels surprisingly premium for its price point. The front camera is sleek and compact, with a matte black finish that blends right into your windshield. It doesn't obstruct your view, and the rear cam is equally discreet, ideal for staying low-key. Mounting it is simple with the included adhesive mounts and suction cup, and it also comes with a trim tool and plenty of cable length for a clean, professional install. There's even a USB power adapter included, so you're ready to go without needing any extras. Camera quality. Here's where things get impressive. The front camera records in stunning 4K Ultra HD 3840x2160 at 30 FPS, capturing crisp, detailed footage even in fast-moving traffic. Street signs, license plates, and lane markings are all clearly visible, even at night. The rear cam records in full HD 1080p, and together they provide excellent front and back coverage, especially useful in the event of a rear-end collision, or if someone tries to pull a fast one behind you. Night vision is enhanced with Sony Starvis sensors and wide dynamic range, WDR, so visibility stays sharp in low light and overly bright conditions. Audio display and controls. The dash cam features a 3.16-inch IPS screen, bright, clear, and responsive. It's not touch-enabled, but the side buttons are intuitive and easy to use while driving. You'll also appreciate the built-in microphone and speaker. The audio recording is clear enough to pick up conversations or car noises that might help explain an incident. Navigating the menus is straightforward, and you can toggle between camera views, video playback, or tweak your settings without too much digging. GPS and Wi-Fi features. One of the standout features at this price point is the built-in GPS and Wi-Fi connectivity. The GPS records real-time driving data like speed, location, and route, which can be crucial in case of disputes. With Wi-Fi, you can easily connect the dash cam to your smartphone using the Redtiger app. It allows you to download videos, view live footage, or change settings remotely. No need to pull out the SD card or plug into a laptop. Super convenient. Storage and loop recording. The F7NP supports up to 256GB micro SD cards, and it uses loop recording, meaning old footage automatically gets overwritten when your storage fills up. But don't worry, critical moments are safe thanks to G-sensor collision detection. When it detects a sudden impact or jolt, the cam locks and saves that footage so it can't be erased. There's also parking mode, which can detect motion or vibrations even when your car is off, provided it's hardwired or powered via an external battery pack. That's great for protecting your vehicle when it's parked on the street. If you're getting value out of this video so far, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe to Smart Tech Insider for more honest, hands-on tech reviews. It helps the channel a lot and keeps you in the loop with the latest gear. Real-world performance. In daily use, the Redtiger F7NP performs like a champ. Video clarity is top tier for its class, especially during the day. Night vision is good too. While it's not cinematic level, it definitely holds up under street lighting and headlights. We did notice that during very bumpy drives, the video can jitter slightly, but image stabilization helps reduce most of the shake. Also, the app experience is decent, though occasionally you might experience minor lag when transferring large 4K files over Wi-Fi. What could be better? Let's be real, and no product is perfect. First, the Redtiger F7NP doesn't come with built-in storage, and it also doesn't include a micro SD card in the box, so factor that into your budget. Second, if you're new to installing dash cams, hardwiring for full parking mode functionality might be a bit of a chore. You can always get a professional install or use a cigarette lighter adapter, but keep in mind, parking mode may be limited without direct wiring. And finally, while the rear cam is solid, its image quality isn't quite on par with the front, which is expected but worth mentioning. Positives and negatives. Alright, let's break it down. Positives. Sharp 4K front and 1080p rear video quality. Great night vision with Sony Starvis sensor. GPS and Wi-Fi are built in. No external modules needed. Easy app control and video transfers. Solid build and compact design. Excellent value for money. Negatives. No SD card included. Rear cam quality is just good. Full parking mode requires hard wiring. App could use minor performance improvements. Final verdict. So, is the Redtiger F7NP 4K dash cam worth it? For drivers looking for top-tier video, dual coverage, and smart features like GPS and Wi-Fi, all without spending a fortune, this dash cam is a real standout. It punches well above its weight in terms of quality and features, and it's one of the best value options available in 2025. We're giving it a solid 8.5 out of 10. Whether you're a rideshare driver, a commuter, or just someone who wants extra protection on the road, the Redtiger F7NP deserves a spot on your dashboard. If you're ready to grab the Redtiger F7NP for yourself, click the link in the description below to check it out on Amazon. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and drop a comment if you've got questions or want us to review another product. Until next time, drive safe and stay smart.